Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna open some Disney Lorcana, and this time we're gonna go for the Rise of the Floodborn. So I haven't opened any of these before, so this is gonna be a first. So let me go in and see what we can find. Have any of you opened any Lorcana before? Let me know down below. We got Cruella de Vil from Fashionable Cruiser. We got Sleepy, Merlin the Crab, Go the Distance, I think that's a song. Ratigan, the Criminal Mastermind. We got Tiana, the Diligent Waitress. We get Tiana, the True Princess. Cogsworth. Oh, I think this is the from Beauty and the Beast. I think. We got Doc. Doc in the house, the leader of the Seven Dwarfs. Then we got Strength of a Raging Fire. Ooh, we get Namari. And the last but not least, it has that shine a bit. Chip, the teacup, again from Beauty and the Beast, I think. And this one. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.